Ciao, I'm Chef David of Insideat class. Today we are in Tivoli, not very far from Rome, and we're gonna see one of the most authentic and most old, world famous Italian recipe. We're talking about meatballs with tomato sauce. Now we're gonna see all the ingredients that we need in order to do the classic meatballs with tomato sauce, le polpette al sugo. Ground beef, basil leaf, clove of garlic, fresh egg, a little bit of parsley, fresh parsley of course, Parmesan cheese or pecorino cheese, so a well-aged cheese, rye-aged cheese. Breadcrumbs, or better to say no, just whole bread soaked into the milk, black pepper, a good half glass of red wine, olive oil, and last but not least, our lovely Italian tomato paste. So now we're gonna crush our garlic this way, and we're gonna peel it. There we are. So I'm gonna clean it. This one has a little bit hole here, and we're just gonna use half of the glove. I'm gonna cut it, slice it very, very thin. Okay, this way. And we're gonna do the same thing with the parsley. Now we're gonna create our meatballs. So first the ground meat here, here. Then we're gonna crack egg into it, just like that. Whoop. We're gonna add the mixture of parsley and garlic this way. A little bit of black pepper. A pinch of salt. Then we're gonna pick it up our whole soaked bread into the milk. I'm gonna squeeze it. Okay, no liquid at all. Squeeze it very well and drop it in. Okay, we're just gonna leave little chunks, okay? Not too big, not too big pieces. And now we're gonna mix everything together. At this point, we're gonna add whether the Parmesan or the pecorino cheese. We're in Rome. I love pecorino cheese, so we're gonna use pecorino cheese. So now we're gonna do our meatball, okay? Same size of a golf ball, okay? So we pick it up, a little bit of the meat, one hand of meat, then we squeeze it this way, okay? As much as possible, okay? No hair into it. And then we make it around this way, and we can go like that. Now we're gonna do a simple and very easy tomato and basil sauce. Tablespoon of olive oil, this way. Yellow garlic. And we let it cook for about a minute until the garlic starts to get golden color, okay? We don't want to make it burn. So just 30 seconds, the time that the olive oil start to heat it up, start to make some bubbles. Okay, this way. That's it. It's basically ready. So low down the heat at the minimum. Wait a second, the pan just, the heat of the pan cool down a bit. Okay. And 1, and 2, and 3. Wonderful. Back medium heat. There we go. A little bit of salt. When we start to see the first bubble, we can gently add our meatball. Okay, just leave a little bit of space one to the other. An important thing is that we're not gonna touch the meatball a lot, so just leave it there, this way. Leave a space one to the other. 1, 2, 1, and 2. Now, we just add a little bit of wine, this way, and we add a little bit of water and tomato sauce, almost to cover our meatball, okay? Before we close, we just add the basil leaf, just drop it in, this way. Leave it there. In the meantime, the basil leaf will cook. I'm just gonna leave it there without touching, without doing nothing, for at least 10 minutes, just to wait that the meatballs start to, to get more dense and compact. Cover it.